In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal phone number without logging in. If you're locked out and your phone number has changed, don't worry. I'll walk you through the official paths PayPal provides so you can update your information safely. First, it helps to understand why this process is a bit strict. PayPal prioritizes account security, and changing sensitive details like a phone number usually requires signing in. That requirement protects your money and personal data from unauthorized changes, which is why the steps you'll take involve identity verification. Start by trying PayPal's account recovery option. Go to the official PayPal website and begin the recovery process. Follow the prompts carefully. Depending on your account, you may be asked security questions or you might be offered alternative ways to verify your identity. Take your time and enter information exactly as it appears on your account. If there's an option to try another verification method, use it if you no longer have access to your old phone number. This route is the fastest when it works because once PayPal verifies you, you'll regain access and can update your phone number from your settings. If recovery doesn't work, contact PayPal support directly. To find the right place, open your browser and search for Contact PayPal Customer Service. Click only the official PayPal support page. Double check that the web address is the real PayPal site and look for the secure padlock in your browser. On the support page, navigate to Password and Account Access, then select Login Problems. Scroll down until you see the Call Us option and click it. You should see a choice to call us as a guest. Select that and use the phone number shown on the page to connect with a PayPal representative. Explain clearly that you need to update your phone number but can't log in. Keep any non-sensitive account details handy, such as your full name and billing address, to help verify your identity. Remember, never share your password or full card numbers. Legitimate support won't ask for those. The representative will ask questions to confirm your identity before making any changes. This might include details about recent transactions or linked funding sources. Once they've verified you, they'll guide you on updating your phone number or help you regain access so you can update it yourself securely. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.